Look, I know a lot of people have been asking about washing their fruits and vegetables before you even actually, prep them for juicing. And yes, I actually wash my fruits and vegetables every time I juice. So as you can see, I got the vegetables along with some fruit here prep. And yes, I am actually going to wash them. So I'm going to run some water in the sink. I actually have the vinegar here ready to go. That's about a gallon of prep vinegar that I have. And so, yeah, I'm going to, pretty much turn the sink water on and run that water in. And what I usually do, I usually put over like a cup full of vinegar, which I pour in there and just let it, pour. And now I'm just gonna let that water run, right? Yeah, because it's important. And I'll just dump the actual vegetables in. And I'm gonna let that bad boy sit for about 10 minutes in that water. It's gonna sit for 10 minutes, absolutely, yes. So, because I wanna make sure that, all the pesticides that are on the fruits and vegetables, that has to go. So I don't wanna have any pesticides on my fruits and vegetables. So if you're in like a lot of, well, I almost say a lot of countries, but there are, some countries I know, like definitely in America, where they use pesticides on their foods. Make sure you wash your fruits and vegetables. So you want to make sure that you wash your fruits and vegetables thoroughly in the vinegar. So just let it sit for about 10 minutes. And after it sits about for 10 minutes, or if you want to let it sit longer, that's fine. But I usually let mine sit for 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes, what you do is just wash it off and proceed. But yeah, I encourage anyone that visits any country that uses pesticides on their food, please wash your fruits and vegetables. Please, you have to wash them. I'm not talking about just putting water on it. Soak your fruits and vegetables in vinegar. Please let it soak. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video informing everyone of that. And yes, before you juice, ensure that you wash your fruits and vegetables.